Dreaming of a future in Australia or New Zealand? You're not alone. Thousands of young professionals from around the world are moving to ANZ in search of better careers, world-class education, and a balanced lifestyle. Both Australia and New Zealand offer point-based immigration systems that favor skilled professionals. You can choose pathways like student visas, skilled migration, or even regional visas that encourage you to work in growing communities. Studying in ANZ can boost your chances of permanent residency. Local qualifications earn you points, while post-study work visas open doors to valuable career experience. Scholarships are available, but competitive. Therefore, financial planning is essential. To qualify for PR, you'll need relevant qualifications, English proficiency, and recognized skills. High-demand professions include healthcare, IT, engineering, education, construction, and hospitality. Even before migrating, you can work remotely for ANZ-based companies, building experience and connections. And once you arrive, multicultural societies, strong healthcare, and community support make integration smoother, though adapting to the cost of living and new work cultures takes time. Migration isn't a sprint, it's a journey. With the right planning, skills, and persistence, your dream of a successful life in Australia or New Zealand can become a reality. SkillJourney and IMFS are here to support you in planning your migration journey.